comes the eye. Whap! And I just fell through the chair. I guess this goes on the blooper reel. Welcome to a new day. Unfortunately, this day is gonna sort of end off with rain, so there's clouds coming in. It's supposed to rain all day tonight, all night tonight, and all day tomorrow. So I had to get a tarp up. I wanted to get a tarp up so I can put some of my good wood underneath and not get it wet. You see how I took the top down, the bunk area down, because it was just too high. It was a couple inches higher than the back, so I didn't want to have a crooked roof when we're standing up there. And so I got the tarp on. Now it's quite hot still. It's about 30 degrees and might get warmer if we get thunder showers. So now I just got to load up some of this wood so it doesn't get soaking wet. I've got big giant ones here, and I've got 2x2s and such there. And the skid stuff can stay up because it's already been weathered well. All right, catch you in a flash. Kind of feels like a camper already. You got all this up here. It's starting to feel closed in. I might even put the trusses in across. Put those in across and then put some 45s, angles, 2x2 45s, and create a little more support on it. I can even do that tomorrow if it's raining because I've got it covered now. But I have to watch the electric saw. It won't be the first time I do something foolish. Right? Red spray paint. All right. Another hot one today. 34 degrees and it's 7:30 at night. That's Celsius. For American friends think up in Canada we're all cold at 34 degrees. No, this is Celsius. So I was getting some cross beams up, some supports, some cross beams. Get them up there. Then I gotta put the side cross beams in. But I gotta make sure everything is straight as a camper can be. Campers are not straight, buses are not straight. Okay, but I've got those up and we're expecting rain again. One day on, one day off. That's the way it goes. I'll talk to you in a bit. Yep, another day here. One day sunny, next day ducky. Hopefully everything is dry enough in there, but the rain's coming in a little bit sideways. Oh, I got a little bit of water in there. I'll have to dry it out before I can do more on it. That's what life is here. Woo. "20 minutes later. And it's sunny out. Yep. Stay tuned right to the end, even after the moose talks to you and tells you to subscribe and like this video. You'll find out what happened in this chair. Nice sunny day. Now let the thing dry out a little bit. Not gonna work that way. This way. All right. Okay, so if you can go on that side, I'm going to go that way. I'm doing that side. Going that side. I don't want to get wet there, so I'm going to go that way. Alright. Give me a piece of wood out of the van so I can put across here to stop the water from a flat piece.
It's fine.
I want to show them like how much water is on here. Okay. Take this flat piece, hold it there. Hold it right there. I don't want that to go inside. Just a bit of flat, a bit of it. Just hold it there, right there. Don't let it drop. Okay? Don't let it drop. Thought I'd get you better.
Oh, Paul. You did get me wet, that's for sure.
Did you get wet?
I got wet.
Not too much work done today. Came out late. Got a couple supports up, put another beam across. Start building supports for the top deck or bunk, whatever you want to call it. Found some more wood, put some wood in there, and that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll have more time. I got one pickup of e-waste tomorrow, one to drop off, so that's how I'm making some extra money. And so that's how it works. All right, later. Sun's going down on another Sunday. I got the wall, I got the studs up, I got the cross brace and the ceilings up proper. I've got some nitty-gritty supports for the roof. I got a bit of a support for the bunk. Still got tons of wood, tons of stuff. I had to get an 8-foot ladder because I only had 6 foot and I couldn't reach the top, and I didn't figure that out until the other day. So this is what it looks like. Frame is coming along pretty good. And tomorrow's another work day. So we'll see how much I can get done. Jazz is not here. So I'll have to say it myself. Honestly, we don't know what we're doing. We're just trying to keep it straight, as square as we can on this crooked camper anyway. And we have no budget. All right, I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to subscribe right down here or down here. I don't know where it is, but on the video, subscribe. Have a good day.
Coming out here, knocking on the window. What's going on? Dad's stuck in the chair.
Chair broke. Blooper reel.
He's stuck out in this too. He's stuck in a chair. Oh no!
After 2 days of rain, no camper work, this is the image we get at nighttime. Lots of clouds coming through. Red sky at night, Saturday light.